today I want to talk about my new project. It's the Harmonica note converter script, which is written in Python. If you know me, you will probably know that I'm really keen on harmonicas. I really like them. So I have two mini harmonicas. They are different types. I have chromatic harmonicas and diatonic harmonicas. So I have written a script in Python to convert their notes for each other. For example, if I have a tab or note for chromatic harmonica, I can easily convert it to diatonic harmonicas which I have, or I can shift the tone a little bit. So it's a quite useful script. I want to give a demonstration about it now with the song which I really like.
You can reach the script from my GitHub account. It's quite easy to install. You can install and test it just with a few commands. After the installation, you can define your own instruments. Also, you can convert the notes between the instruments. The Game of Thrones theme song tabs converted from diatonic C harmonica to chromatic harmonica tabs, and then it shifted to 3 different tones.
Here I have a chromatic harmonica from Sven. And let's start. Tone 1. And tone 2. Tone 3.